Well, I failed a little bit. Died. Wasn't actually recording, so yep, lost it without even recording it. Kind of depressing. So switching from the gray to the red. Hopefully, I can get some more kills. I'm 7-1 now, so it's not terrible. All right. Okay, since I've not been recording, I've gotten two kind of kills. They were both I damaged them, so technically I got the kill, that kind of thing. Uh, I'm probably not going to include them in the kill count, just because it's really not my kill. But here's a fight. Good luck to him. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's see. Wouldn't mind this rusher helping me out. I got a dagger. Worth it. Alright, now what else do I want to pick up? Pick up some prayer pots, I guess. Can always use more of these. Help me with the training. So that was a nice quick kill. Gonna take his one rock tail because it's a noob. I don't know why anyone PKs the sharks anymore. Sharks are outdated. Alright. We gotta fight. Now, boom. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. Arr! Come on. Double kill? No. It's ridiculous. I should have got the kill, not her. Literally should have had a phoenix necklace on. Okay, grab that. Gothic arrows might make me some money back. Possibility. Oh, yeah. Alright, so. Had a great start with 7-0. Now, not doing as great. I'm on my third set. Went from gray to red, now I'm on white. So, let's hope I can get some kills this time. I'm 9-2. So, got 2 kills on red, 7 kills on gray. Let's get, I want like at least 5 or 6 on the white. That'd be awesome. I still have the light gray and the yellow to go. But, if I can not use them for a while, that'd be awesome. Okay, let's go try to get some kills. Finding people. Finding people is the hardest thing about the wilderness. Because 50% of the people out here are out here one item rushing. It is terrible. I mean, I remember when Bukang was just people running out here trying to get kills, and there were no rushers. It was so nice back then. But now it's almost all rushers. So I love these guys that don't make me do this. Actually, I hate them because they have soul split. I'm not doing that. Alright. So let's just tally back and restart this one because I'm not going to face soul split at level 64. That's ridiculous. You should not have turmoil in soul split by level 64 combat. There is no need for it. Time to go again. I really wish there was vengeance at this level. That'd be awesome. That's who I want. That is who I want, sir. No, stop running from me. You are my kill. No, you are my kill. The wrong prayer is on anyway. So there's a kid that just tried to kill me. Jesus. That was a crazy hit. Just hit 400 something on him. God, am I happy I tallied. Please spec him out, guy. That rushers are good for that one thing now. God, where'd that kid go? Alright. No kills in the white so far. Let's get one. It's Yahoo Kid. He is magic. It gets scary. Grab a skull and I'll fight you, kid. Alright. I'm just gonna pot up. Security pot up. Yeah, you know, in case you get rushed, you don't have to worry about potting. Alright, I'm just gonna pop her. Didn't get to. Really depressing. Did someone just claw him out? Oh, that was great. No, kid. I don't like you. You're really good for your level. You should not do that. I wonder if anyone actually wants to fight that kid. What is going on here? Someone just went crazy. What? I don't know what to do. Oh, the mayhem makers are out here making mayhem. That is mayhem if I've ever seen it. Alright. So I'm gonna try to fight this kid. Maybe get some loot. Some loot, please. Please stop praying. Please stop praying, kid. I don't like you praying. It's a hassle on me. I'm gonna pro range since he's pro meleeing. And I mean, I'm sure that he has a range special of some sort. So yeah, come on. Come on. Take yours down and take mine down. Make it a fair fight. And look at you. Yeah, you have prey on. Why do you have prey on? Alright, now I'll take my prey off. Oh, Mr. Bossy now, huh? Alright, let's go. Let's go, mister. $10 says he tells me I'm saving. Boom. Ooh, javelins. Oh, it's a regular javelin too. Oh my god. That's some bank. 27k in those bolts. Oh, 19k in knives. I have someone attacking. I don't know who though. Oh, it's for criminal. Alright. Different story. That's why does it even have that? Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, that's all I'm taking. Well, let's see. I'll take a ranging potion instead of that. Yeah, it sounds good to me. I want to price check this javelin, man. It's like 150k, right? 131k, and I got 60k in my pouch right now. That for me is bank loot. That's sad, but let's do a PC on his whole kill. Oof, 220k. I'm a lucky guy. Thank God he was there. Alright, well, fun fact for anyone that didn't know, mahogany logs don't work in the fire to increase your health. It's a little fun fact I just found out. Alright, back to the wilderness. Little 6% boost helps out a lot. So, let go. Alright. I hate when I don't have enough bolt racks. If you run out, you're done. Done for the day. You feel so bad. But 62 over here, but he's in a fight. Depressing. 262s there. I just killed one of them. That's a 66 that's not skulled. One iteming. Of course. Oh, look at this 62. Okay, so who? This one? Is this one that just did it? I think this one was it. Or was this the one that? Alright. So I'm potted up now. Thank you for asking. Oh, FML, FML. Oh. Alright. Death number 3. Well, guess just how it happened. Just how it works. Lost a bit. So, re-gearing. Yellow Wolf's coming out. Not the rapper, just me. Haha. Terrible pun. Yep, quick little re-gear. Alright. I like the yellow. Looks kinda cool. So, repot up. Okay, what else do I need? Need Jamal. Yeah, I'm stealing Jamal from Chris Archie. What else do I need? I need my telly tabs. I'll turn this one. A couple of those. God, I hate this. Running low on rocktails. Why did sell these daggers and bracelets and whatnot? Alright. Let's go again. So 10 and 3 right now. Gray lost that first. Orange, red, whichever one it is, lost that second. Just lost my white. So time to stop dying. What do you think? I should probably start saving up a little bit. Since that was working for me, this isn't. Whoa. How is 189 my top? 91, 189 should not be my max hit. I'll get this one a go. Should I save? Alright. You're going. Come on. Hit, hit, hit. Really? Really? What a noob. Yeah, stand under me so you can eat up. Get at me, son. Oh, wow, this guy was risking bank. Jeez. Alright, well, I guess that's a kill. So now I'm 11 and 3. Really, still depressing, though. I mean, this is the worst kill I've gotten so far. And it took a decent amount of effort. So, God. Alright, well, a kill's a kill at this point.